Hello, welcome into my channel. In today's video I have here YALE Y124/70. I don't have a key from this lock, but it's a 5-pinner, it's full of spools, so it's great for beginners to learn. So I will pick slowly and try comment what I am doing. So let's go. Pin number 1 nothing, pin number 2 is binder, so I push on the pin. Okay, that's one. So I have a little fall set and pin number 2 is set. Okay, pin number 3 nothing, pin number 4 is binder. So now I release the tension. I have here a spring, so goes easier, and push on the pin and release little bit tension, so click and deeper fall set. So that says me 2 pins are set. So I have pin number 1 left. So I repeat the process. I push on the pin and slowly release the tension. Okay, pin number 1 is set. So I have here pin number 3 and to repeat the process, just a little bit release tension and to push on the pin. So very slowly. Pin number 3 is set and last is pin number 5. So let's go on number 5. So I little bit release the tension and push on the pin and it's open. So it's nothing special, but this YALE lock, the stickers missing, are very great for learning. So this lock have not the changeable core, so I cannot get it, but the feedback says me that this full of spools. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in another video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, let me comment. Thank you.